Today, I worked at the smartphone repair shop. I replaced the screen of iPhone SE third generation. For some reason, business has been slow since October started. When things are quiet, I usually watch Netflix. I recently watched Alice in Borderland Season 3. It starts with the main characters being married for 4 years. While watching, I realized something. The heroine's name, Usagi, is actually her last name. But throughout the series, the main character keeps calling Usagi. I couldn't help thinking, wait, shouldn't her last name have changed after marriage? Do you have any drama recommendation? If so, please share them with me. See you next time.